If you ever lose your iPhone or iPad, the Find My app can help you locate it in seconds. Here's how to use it. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad, and at the bottom, you will see three main tabs: People, Devices, and Items. Tap on Devices to see your Apple devices linked to your Apple ID. If one is lost or misplaced, just tap on it. You will see its location on a map if it's online. And from here, you can play a sound to help find it nearby, mark it as lost to lock it remotely, or erase it completely if it's gone for good. You can also tap on people to share your location with friends and family, or see their location if they've shared it with you. And don't forget the Items tab. This is where you track AirTags or other supported accessories. So whether it's your phone, your keys, or your backpack, Find My has your back. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.